Hey everyone, so today we will be going through the March 2019 HoneyBShop Babe Box, and the theme for this month is, oh my goodness, Home Sweet Home. So, y'all know the drill. We're going to go through these one by one and show you everything that come in the box. So, let me put the little card up here. Alright, I'm going to move all this stuff over and we will start going through things one by one. So here, I noticed that there is a little candle in here. And then, not really sure what the scent is. The little, I think this may be coming April 1st to the HoneyBShop. So it looks like they're going to start selling candles. So that's pretty cute. So here's what the card says. The HoneyBShop is all about supporting dreams and local businesses. Candles have always been a love and underlying passion for Dana, who is a lifelong second mama to Shannon, owner of the HoneyBShop. Mama Dana wanted to make her candle dreams come true and spent hours researching how to make and offer high-quality soy candles. Here we are making Mama Dana's dreams come true. Primitive lights will soon be offered on our website April 1st. In your Babe Box, you have received a tea light candle, either scented Mama's Laundry or Love Spell. With the amazing soy blend and high-quality wick, even a tea light will burn for hours. We cannot wait to reveal all the scents we will have coming to the shop. Options for custom orders to make your candle dreams come true. So, it does not say which scent this is, but if I had to guess, I would think that this is Love Spell because it smells very much like the old Bath and Body, or not Bath and Body Works, the Victoria's Secret Love Spell candle. So I'm kind of thinking that that's what this is. So just a regular little tea light. So yeah, we got that. And then we've got a postcard, Bloom Where You Are Planted. And then there is a dark option on the other side. So this side is more matte feel, and this has a slightly glossier feel to it. And then we've got a dry erase memo board, which is super cute. It is actually a magnet, so you've got that and a little dry erase marker on there. And then she's got printed some cute things there. And it's very, very Rae Dunn inspired, which, Lord, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know I love me some Rae Dunn. I love it, love it, love it. So this is super cute. I'm glad that she put the font on there and everything like that. And then here we have got the bonus item, which is the rose gold pen. So it's got like a silver barrel to it, some little clear crystals. We've got a little dangle up here and rose gold hardware. This looks like a ballpoint pen. Let's see. Take some old sticky notes. So pretty dark black ink there. And it is a ballpoint for sure. And then we have got all of the ephemera and stickers. So here we've got this cute little bookmark that says Home Sweet Home with the little tea or coffee cups. And then we've also got two other bookmarks. So these are succulents, but they are in colors that I've never really seen before for succulents. Like typically when I think of a succulent, I think of greens and purples, but these are corals and gray, which I think is really cute. And then we have got all of the stickers. So we've got the sticker kit here. So you've got 2 sets of date covers, and then your full box stickers, which fit Erin Condren size boxes. And then here you've got your little half boxes and quarter boxes, heart checklists, full boxes, all of the headers, and then the more deco but still functional, and a couple of headers there. You've got the washi strips, and then these are purely deco. Very, very cute. And then we have got the acrylic keychain, which this is so cute to me, but I don't know if I'm going to put this on my keys because my keys typically get pretty damaged. I stick keychains on them and I just keep them on there until they pretty much break off. So I'm going to figure out something else because that's just too stinking cute to ruin. And I know it would get beat up, but anyway. So there's the acrylic keychain. And lastly, the papers. So the papers. A lot of people, I guess, let their voices be heard about the papers, and Shan actually said that we would be keeping the papers. So I'm excited about that because these papers are just really, really good quality. Out of all the boxes that I have done, I have never seen papers this good a quality. So I know that these are probably pretty expensive, but I really appreciate them being added to these boxes. So let's go through all the patterns. So we've got a succulent pattern, and then on the back side there is this kind of a pretty rose pattern with dots, and then there's another variation of that. This one's cute. So you've got the floral sprays and the coffee pour sugar cream. More florals. Oh, on the back side of that, you've got this watercolor. And then you've got just a bunch of squiggles and lines. And then another variation of the watercolor. So with this box, you can pretty much do a setup. This box is a little bit different. I'm sorry for the pause there. I was looking at my little postcard because what I do whenever I unbox these things, I go ahead and put the little postcard that has everything in the box and just set it in front of me. In the past few boxes, we have gotten a lot more die cuts, but I suppose that we only got 3 this month because we got the keychain, the dry erasing, the tea light, and the pen. So I'm definitely not complaining about that, but I will just say that is to note because in the other 2 boxes, there have been quite a few die cuts that have gone in this. So that being said, the reason that I said that is because whenever you have the other boxes that have all of the die cuts and all the papers, you can do a full setup for the month. But if you wanted to do a full setup for this box, you might have to pull in some other clip arts or anything like that because you only get 3 die cuts. So if you're one of those that really likes to take your sub boxes and decorate with them in a traveler's notebook or in a ring bound, anything like that, that is just something to note. So it looks like there will be variations of products here. Does that bother me? No, absolutely not, because I am in a bullet journal, so I really don't use many die cuts anymore, but I do keep them just in case I ever feel like getting back into a traveler's notebook or a ring bound. I've still got everything, so I can do setups and everything like that. I also keep my papers simply because you never know when you're going to want to use those colors, and they're just too pretty to do anything else with them. So anyway, that is the March 2019 Babe Box. Let me know down below what you think. I'm really glad that she kept the papers and everything like that. Probably one of my favorite things this month is the cute little dry erase thing and the keychain. But I think everything as a whole is really beautiful. I love that she pulled in all these colors of corals and peaches and things like that. I think it's really pretty. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you over here, and be sure to check the description box for everything down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye everybody.